In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu to your Wix website. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, mobile-friendly design or just love the minimalist look, integrating a hamburger menu is a fantastic way to keep your website navigation concise and stylish. The best part? Wix makes this process incredibly straightforward with its built-in features, meaning you won't need any coding skills at all. Start by opening up your Wix editor or Wix Studio. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From there, you'll want to click on the plus add button. This will bring up a selection menu. Navigate to menu and anchor, and within that drop-down, you'll find the hamburger menu. Click it to add this feature to your website. With the menu added, it's time to position it. Simply drag the hamburger menu to your header area. That's typically the top section of your web page. This ensures that it is prominently displayed and easily accessible for visitors, whether they're on a computer or a mobile device. Once you've got your hamburger menu in place, it's time for customization. Click on the menu itself and then select Manage Menu. This opens up a dashboard where you can adjust your navigation settings. If at any point you want to add new pages to your menu or remove existing ones, you can do it here seamlessly. This allows you to keep your menu updated with your evolving content. Rearranging the order of items is also simple, giving you the flexibility to prioritize certain pages over others based on your site's needs or visitor preferences. Next, dive into styling your hamburger menu. This isn't just about functionality, it's about embodying your brand's aesthetic. You can change the color, size, and shape of the menu icon to match your site's theme. This is important because a well-integrated menu enhances the overall look and feel of your website. Moreover, you can customize the background of the expanded menu, whether you prefer a solid color, a gradient for a more modern appearance, or even a transparent background for an airy look. The choice is entirely yours. Adding hover effects to your menu items is another great way to enhance user experience. When a visitor hovers over a menu item, a subtle effect can make navigation more intuitive and visually appealing. Such enhancements not only contribute to the aesthetics, but also help in improving the visitor interaction with your menu. The incredible thing about Wix's hamburger menu feature is that it automatically adjusts for both mobile and desktop views, ensuring users on different devices have a consistent and optimal experience navigating your site. With these simple steps, you're all set to enrich your website's navigation. Enjoy the flexibility and elegance this feature brings without any need for coding expertise.